Tracking projects in Airtable is one of the best ways to stay organized, if it's set up correctly. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project tracker in Airtable step by step in 2026 using a clean structure you can actually scale. All right? First, create a new base inside your workspace. Click Create a Base and choose Start from Scratch. Rename the base to something clear like Project Tracker or Project Management. Now decide what one row represents. In this setup, one row equals one project. This keeps things simple and avoids mixing tasks and projects in the same table. Next, set up the key fields. Create a project name field as text. Add a status field using single select, like planned in progress and completed. Then add a start date and due date using date fields, all right? Now add control fields, create an owner field to track who's responsible, and a priority field using single select, like high, medium, or low. These fields help you focus on what matters first. Now add a progress field. You can use a checkbox for simple tracking or a percent field if you want more detail. This makes it easy to scan progress across all projects. All right? Now create views. Create one grid view for all projects, then add a filtered view that shows only in progress projects. Views keep your workflow clean without duplicating data. Next, apply sorting and grouping. Sort projects by due date and group them by status. This instantly turns your table into a visual project dashboard. Finally, maintenance. Archive completed projects into a separate view instead of deleting them. This keeps your tracker fast while preserving history, and that's a complete project tracker in Airtable. Simple structure, clear fields, and smart views. Once this is set up, managing projects becomes much easier and a lot less stressful.